students. Welcome to online class standard 8 subject chemistry. Today we are going to discuss on chemical properties of acid. See here, there are three chemical properties of acid. One is a reaction with the metal. Second one is a reaction with metal carbonates and bicarbonates. Third one is a reaction with metal oxide. Now clear? What are the three chemical properties of acids? One is a reaction with metals. Second one is a reaction with metal carbonates and bicarbonates. And the third one is a reaction with metal oxide. Shall we discuss one by one? The first one is reaction with metals. Metals, for example, like magnesium, zinc. Okay, first one is zinc, magnesium, aluminium. Iron reacts with acids like hydrochloric acid and sulfuric acid to form metal salt and also release hydrogen gas. How can write the equation format? See here, whenever metal a reaction with the dilute acids to form metal salt plus hydrogen gas. Shall I write the reaction now? See the example. What is the first example? Yes, zinc. Okay, zinc a reaction with hydrochloric acid means to form zinc chloride and also hydrogen gas. Okay, so shall I write the reaction? What is the formula for zinc? That is Zn. Z must be in capital letter, N is small letter. So whenever writing the element, the first letter is capital, the second one is small letter. Okay, so this is a formula for zinc reaction with hydrochloric acid. What is the formula for hydrochloric acid? HCl to form zinc chloride. That is formula for zinc chloride ZnCl2. Okay, plus H2. That is hydrogen in the form of gas is liberated. You should indicate this is the gas is liberated. Okay, now clear this. Why we want to put upper arrow? That is hydrogen in the form of gas is liberated. Shall I explain one more example? See here, iron reaction with sulfuric acid to form ferrous sulfate plus hydrogen. What is the formula for iron? That is Fe reaction with sulfuric acid. What is the formula for sulfuric acid? H2SO4 to form ferrous sulfate. What is ferrous? Here iron in the form of Fe2 plus, that's why it is called ferrous. Okay, so FeSO4 plus H2. Here also hydrogen is liberated in the form of gas. This is indicated by upper arrow. Now clear this. So first one, chemical properties, that is the reaction with the metal is over. Understood now? Shall I move on to the next one? Yes, see here. Before that, I have to explain do you know question. Okay, what is do you know here? Why do we want to coat copper vessels using tin? What is the answer for this question? Copper or brass cooking vessels are made or coated with or made up of it or coated with the tin metal, that is called EM. Okay, if it is not coated, the organic acid means, see here, if it is not coated means the organic acid is present in the food material. Already we know that, isn't it? Where it is present, this organic acid? Organic acids are present naturally in fruits and vegetables, isn't it, student? That's why organic acids present in food material will react with the copper. Okay. If it is reacts with the copper means make the food poisonous. Okay. So what is the role of tin here? Tin isolates the vessel from the action of acids and prevents the food poisoning. That's why we want to coat the copper vessels using tin. Now clear this. What else do you know? Yes. Shall I move on to the next chemical properties of acid? That is the second one. Chemical property is reaction with metal carbonates and bicarbonates. See here. So when carbonates and bicarbonates come in contact with the dilute acids, yes, carbon dioxide is given out along with the water. So what is that meaning? Whenever metal carbonates and bicarbonates reaction with the dilute acids, yes, reaction with dilute acids, what are the major products here? That is carbon dioxide, water, and one more is that is metal salt. Okay, clear? See here. For example, limestone. Limestone is nothing but what? Calcium carbonate. This calcium carbonate, that is limestone, reaction with dilute sulfuric acid to form calcium sulfate. This is a salt, that's why I'm called as a metal salt, isn't it? Plus carbon dioxide and water. How can write the reaction format? See here, this is calcium carbonate, reaction with the dilute sulfuric acid to form calcium sulfate plus carbon dioxide plus water. Okay, shall I write the reaction now? Yes, what is the formula for calcium carbonate? That is CaCO3. Okay, this is calcium carbonate reaction with sulfuric acid. What is the formula for sulfuric acid? H2SO4. Shall I join together? What is the product here? Calcium sulfate, that is CaSO4 plus carbon dioxide plus water. See here, this is calcium sulfate is formed. Okay. So this hydrogen combined with one more oxygen from carbonate CO3 to make a water. So if you are taking one oxygen means how many oxygen balance now? That is 2 oxygen. That's why carbon dioxide. Okay, now this is clear. Yes, see here. What is the third chemical properties of acid? That is reaction with metal oxide. So oxides of various metal reacts with dilute acids to form they are metallic salt and water. Here what is product now? Here also metal salt plus water. Okay. So how can write? Metal oxide reaction with dilute acids to form metal salt and water. See the reaction now. This is calcium oxide reaction with the hydrochloric acid to form calcium chloride and water, isn't it? So shall I write the reaction? Calcium oxide. What is the formula? CaO plus sulfuric acid, formula is H2SO4, but here hydrochloric acid. What is the formula for hydrochloric acid? HCl. So how can write the reaction? Calcium chloride and water, isn't it? So Ca reaction with the Cl to form CaCl2 plus here H2, 2H is there. So H2, here one O, so combine to form H2O. Now only equation gets balanced. Okay, so in this video I have to explain what are the chemical properties of acid. One is a reaction with the metal. Second one is a reaction with the metal carbonates and bicarbonates. third one is a reaction with metal oxide. I hope that all of you understood today's topic, student. Yes, thank you.